Innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's embedded in everything we do. From how we source our materials to how we deliver our products and services, we're constantly looking for smarter and more efficient ways to operate. We are not only looking at the needs of today, but also foreseeing the needs of the future. Hello everybody, my name is Carl Sharples. I'm the Managing Director here at Levanta. People-powered prosperity isn't just a tagline, it's the heart of our success. It's your creativity, your dedication and drive that propels this company forward. Each of you plays a critical role in turning our vision into a reality, and together we are building something truly remarkable.
Without our people backing us 100%, it wouldn't have allowed us to get where we are today, being a market leader of heavy vehicle equipment. Hi, I'm Lester Sharples, one of the directors here at Levanta. At Levanta, we're not about just selling products, we're building a brand of quality, innovation, and bringing it directly to our customers.
Our culture at Levanta is more than just words on a page. It's the heart and soul of who we are. It's what makes us a work family, a team that cares deeply about one another and about the work we do. I'm Namrata Bowler, CFO at Levanta. Our team culture is our greatest asset. It's what sets us apart and fuels our drive to not only meet but exceed our goals. We've built an environment where everyone is encouraged to bring their best selves to work, to innovate and to grow. This culture isn't just part of who we are, it's the foundation of our ongoing success. As we look to the future, I'm confident that our high-performing team will continue to lead the way. We're building something truly special here at Levanta, an organization where every team member is valued, where growth is not just expected but nurtured, and where a culture of collaboration and innovation propels us forward.